condition the bird to higher calcium diet in preparation for the laying period. If they're not conditioned, you find out that you have cage fatigue. And everybody with cage fatigue will not lay. And they're good layer. You end up destroying them. And these are the modular bone. If you see this bone, this one, even those legs, they rib. These are the modular bone. This is why the calcium are stored. See this bone. If you are after eating this chicken, you see this bone, the leg, the ribs, the one near where you're doing fall pox here. These are where the calcium are reserved. And the player, this is a stage of medullary bone development. Medullary bone is developing in the long bone before the phase of ovulation. The total calcium content in medullary bone is 1.5 to 2 grams. That's the total content. So players feed with high calcium level of 2.2 to 2.2 is needed to stabilize this reserve. Because this supposed to be the reserve. The grower is 1%. You know. The grower is 1%. And you can see medullary bone is 1.5. But player feed is 2.2. So this needed to stabilize this reserve that you want in the medullary bone. And from there, players stimulate feed intake towards production. So delay in providing calcium need to produce shellness. Sometimes you see shellness on your farm. You think it's Newcastle, but it's not Newcastle. Yes. And ultimate cage fatigue will start. Sometimes you see shellness. Oh, you'll be using calcium, you can leave it like that. You'll be using Newcastle vaccine. It's a lie. It's because you didn't keep player very well. So I want us to understand that one also. What if we did not give such high calcium? What happened? Let's assume we didn't give. As a farmer, other question is that without such calcium loading, like I said before, the area maturing plate will produce 2 to 3 eggs before stopping and start replacing bone reserve. Because when they use the reserve, they will stop, get the reserve back again. So this cycle repeats 2 to 3 eggs per clutch and toss. Even when the hen is capable to give 30 eggs per clutch. You can see? So our production is doing because of player. So I want us to understand that one. And what if calcium level is too low, in rearing tight? You have weak bones, cage fatigue, like this one, like I said before. What if player calcium is too high or feed for too long? If you are giving too high and for too low, you have gout. That's why you have gout. We see a lot of this on the farm. I said for just give player for only 10 days or 12 days. But there's a farmer they even give for 2 to 4 weeks, even 5 weeks. They will give player or the layer the calcium is too high. You say the kidney will be damaged. If you go to the lab, if you perform drug, you see mortality. We see all these cases on the field. And look at calcium balance in layer, just for us to understand what I said before. Just for this is intake in layer. If you look at layer, even the label, although I'm meaning the feed, it's 400 milligram. 400 milligram. Out of 400 milligram, 500 milligram will be dropping the feces every day. Out of the 400, even formulation, even the finished feed. 300 milligram will go to urine. Then 220 milligram will go, that's from the feed, will go to egg. But the egg is 3,000 milligram. So out of that, that's 70%. Then from 1,000 milligram will go to medullary bone. Out of that, 1,080 milligram will go to the egg, and egg will form here. So once this one is missing, the egg will not form. So for us to understand that the shell is not only coming from the feed, but also from the medulla. Though the medulla is getting from the feed, but that's how the nature of the bird is. So play is very key in layers for you to get good production. Play is very key, very very key, very very key. Now, routine management operation on layers now. That's the main topic for today now. I just prepare our mind. And if you look at layer, there are so many operations in layer for effective management. But I just pick few of these yesterday because of our time. Number one, they are what called feed management. For you to optimize production, there is light management. There is water management. There is ventilation management. There is biosecurity management. There is record keeping management. There is air collection management. Because even though you collect your air, time also. You can have cracks the way they collect egg. Then there's quality management. How do you remove the unproductive birds on the pen? There is vaccination and medication management. There's also manual management. There are so many management. But for the purpose of this training and our time, I'm not even going to pick, I know some of us will know about it. So I'm going to pick few of them. I will now put, especially this one, cooling management. I'm going to spend my time here because most of us here, we are losing money on our farm. This topic. Are we getting it? Yes, sir. Can I stop here? I just got started. I thought. But first of all, I want us to understand that we are managing something that you don't see. Don't forget, you are managing something you can't see. Because what you are managing is this one, though. The layer. What are you managing? You are managing the ovary. This is the egg. You know what you are managing? What you are doing with the fowl, this is what you are managing. Is this egg. You want to get this egg. So, we cannot manage what we do not measure. So, if you don't measure how to get this egg, you cannot manage it also. Do you understand what I'm going to? What you are managing something that you don't see. And at the same time, we cannot manage what we do not measure. And that's the problem on the farm now. If you look at that statement, that's the problem on many farms. Even the attendants, you just pick attendant today and give him a job, go to farm. He will not know what he's managing. He don't know what he's managing. And this one, but we are managing something that we don't see. But we cannot manage what we do not measure. So how are we going to reconcile that one now as a farmer? And that's why people in this area, I'm not trying to promote Totmak, but that's the reality. If you're a farmer and you have attendants, let them come for training before they interpay. That's the truth. That's the way to go in the business now. Not just employ somebody today and interpay. On our farm, attendant will spend 7 days going training before we allow them to go and feed and collect egg or do other things. If you just employ somebody, you just follow the routine of other people. Just carry feed and pick egg. On our farm, feeding the birds, collecting the egg is just secondary. It's not part of the job we employ attendants. But on most farm, 90% just feed and collect egg. That is just secondary. The primary role is how to manage this ovary. That's the primary way. And now they need to go for training. And these are what you call flock sense. Flock sense. Whether you are the owner, you are manager, you are supervisor, you are attendant, if you don't have a flock sense, you will not be able to manage what you cannot see. If you don't have the flock sense, you will not be able to manage what you don't see. And this flock sense, I like do the illustration. God give us 5 senses. 5 senses. You have the nose, the eye, the ear, the hand, and the tongue. Do we activate it in poultry pen? It's a question. Huh? But if got many farms, we have it, but we cannot activate it. For example, if you go to many farm now, you see attendants with phone in the pen with earpiece. Huh? How will they use the sense of hearing? At a shipper in November, a farmer say, I don't want to mention the farm. That our product is not working. Say the product is not working. And now they are using clothes that are clean. They say it's E. coli. No, for typhoid. I went to the farm. Okay, the attendants, she called a lady, she tied her hair and insert music inside the hair. She was listening to a lefele music. And I remove it, I listen to Let's listen. But she don't care. But do you know why I do like that? I said, the body is there was a CRD. But the lady don't hear it because she already cover. But because the attendants are the best doctor, they are the best doctor in a pen. So how would the farmer now, if she don't use that one, she could hear these birds that make shit like that. People know that, manager will know that it's CRD. It was CRD. And we use CRD mix 3 days, the mortality stop. Just simple. So if you go to a farm and you see attendants with the earphone, oh, that place is a grave. Oh. That farm is a grave. It's not good. It's not good. Because as you enter the pen, activate your 5 senses. Listen as you are walking. Some birds, you know the birds, they talk to us. Oh. They talk to us. They communicate with us. They speak Yoruba, Hausa. Yes, now. A bird that cough here and a bird that cough in north, the same side. But we don't want to listen. Oh. We refuse to listen because we are not using our senses. So, please, the moment you go to as enter a farm, activate your 5 senses. Listen, look, touch. If possible, if you drop down, take some feed. If you are a manager, you're supposed to call it test of a feed. Supposed to test of a feed. I leave a feed, I test it. You're supposed to test on that farm. Do we do it? So it's a problem. So flock says, I want to call stockmanship. Use all your senses to monitor flock. Monitor for flock to chicken. Do you know the meaning? Do you know the meaning of mommy? You are pressing for our question. Do you know the meaning of flock to chicken? Flock to chicken. From flock to chicken, who knows it? That means if you look at the whole pen and then come to you one by one. From flock to chicken. As you enter a pen, you look at the pen like this, then look at pen one by one. At least as you enter pen flock, then the chicken. At least 60% of that percent, that is 60%, they will talk to you. You see 1 or 2 things that can solve the problem in time. But most of us were excursion MD, excursion manager, excursion supervisor, excursion attendant. You are just moving about, looking. You are just moving about looking like that. But if you pay attention, they will talk to you. You will understand. And that's why even on our farm, we have 6 big pens. I cannot finish 1 pen in a day. If I do that, I'm fooling myself. Yes. We have 60 years. So that means for me to go around the pen, I need 5 to 6 days. So I only got pen that have problem. But see for people, they just enter like this, come out. Enter like this, come out. They say, you are not working. That's the truth. I know you know you drunk because you want to maintain peak. You want to maintain peak in production. You want to remove some body that are not producing. Somebody you pass, I'm not laying you, remove me, but you don't know. No, that's the truth. Oh. That's the truth. We will not come there calling. He's laughing. So we have to change our mindset in the work. Even the MDs, you see the moment they enter farm, the manager will welcome, you don't carry your bag. Lie. Stop that. Don't talk to anybody. After you have gone round, you can now come and ask questions. Why this one here? Why this one here? And don't allow anybody to follow you. They will distract your mind. If I enter any farm today now, nobody follow me. If I enter my farm, how are you? Before I will see my manager till 4 o'clock or 5. So, okay, don't pay nice. What's happening here? I've been looking for abnormal things. I don't look for good things. That's the only way to succeed in the poultry business. Let us stop the excursion MD, excursion survival. Let's stop that one. Poultry business is money is not there again. So you have to work hard. You have to sacrifice. Are we getting something today?
Yes, sir.
Look at the senses. Look at this man now. Let's be like this person. Look at. You sit down. You know something? I went to one farm last week, a big farm, almost 80,000. If even the feed for tomorrow, they are put it on hopper. They want to finish work easy. Even the feed for the next day, they already arrange it on hopper. So when they put and go, you see them outside, they are finished work. So they lie. You can never finish working in poultry business. Look, you have to be like this man. Stay there. Use your taste, senses, apply all these senses. Test, how is the litter myself? Even the litter, feel it. That's if all of us are like this man, oh, we're making dollar. Let's behave like this man. You can see. Stay with them. They communicate with you. You communicate with them. See coccidiosis. If you see a family having coccidiosis, that is not good. Oh. It's not good. Oh. It's human error. Coccidiosis is a man-made disease. That's the name now. It's a man-made disease. Yes, my worker. So if you have coccidiosis on your farm, it's a man-made disease. You cause it. But if you apply, you minimize it. Some will even come before you can even use cheaper drug that come and use oxygen or this thing. Or come and inject. So, like I said, chicken can talk. So use all your senses. What do I see? Hear, taste, smell, feel. Then be critical. Is it normal? What can I be? What can be the causes? You have to use your senses. And what's the problem? You have to now use your brain now to think. You have to use your brain to think. Are you getting my point? It's very, but that was the time I bought so far. I feel like even the manager they just be giving flames excuses. Oh, the weather is very hot. One person told that the weather is very hot. It's not a serious person. With this age, computer or science, at least any serious farm now must have known the temperature from now to January to April. You plot it with Google Map. With your phone, it's about the temperature up to April. So when you know that next week temperature is going to be high, you walk towards it. But you come and give excuses. Oh, today temperature is very high. Those people, they are not serious. They are not critical in thinking. Critical in thinking. So that's why no excuse on my farm. So I thought, or maybe it's eliminated. Make change. What can I do? How to improve it? You have to make change. Please. When you see something, if I make change, not just give it, oh, my MD said, no. Make changes. They analyze it. Do I see improvement? So these are, chicken can talk. Chicken, they can talk. Seeing more by looking more closely. Seeing more by looking more closely. I like this one. If you are only looking at the technical aspect, such as laying rate, oh, 80% production today, or egg size, oh, my egg is big today, or mortality, or feeding intake or water consumption, you run the risk of missing important signal and being overtaken by events. You can pick up this signal from the chicken themselves and from the appearance, behavior, manuals, and egg. If you are a good surveillance manager, when you see a chicken appearance, themselves, you look at the behavior, you look at the drop manual. Are they shitting red? Are they see watery? Are you getting my point? You can do something for there. And then even the eggs, oh, shellless, oh, the eggs wrinkle. You can pick a signal. And that's why I said, use the chicken as an informant or whistleblower on your farm. Use the chicken as your informant or whistleblower. They can tell you everything if you pay attention. So, water management. Let's pick one now. Water management. I know we know water management. We all know that 70% of chicken body is water, Abby? Yes. Even the egg. So water is very, very critical. For an optimal growth and egg production, the chicken shall be free and convenient access to clean water. If the water A bird drink it, you cannot drink it. You cannot give your child. It's not water. If the water your birds are drinking, you cannot give to your baby child. That's not water. So the water should be clean, fresh. Only provide birds with water that is fit for human consumption. But it's very key. And then regular check pipe, water quality, supply is good. I guess you have lab. Regular check. Poor water quality, poor gut health, and fewer eggs. Water is an important nutrient. Consume in greater quantity. 5 times of maize. You are using maize. Maybe 500, 490. But water, the bird drink water 5 times more than the maize they eat in feed formulation. Go and calculate it. So water is an important nutrient. Consume in greater quantity 5 times of maize than any of the other nutrients. All the other nutrients you are giving to your birds. Water consume water than all the nutrients you give to your birds. So why not pay attention to the water? Now maize is high, soil is high, but water consume more, but we not pay attention to water. Very key. Then the body requirement of water varies with age, height, climate, feed type, water quality, taste of water, and type of drinker also. There are different types can affect water. So water is very key, but there's risk of polluted drinking water also. You know that change in taste or smell, decrease water intake, decrease feed digestion, which give low performance and health. Then new breeding ground for new microorganisms, formation of toxin, blockage in the drinking system, and less benefit of medication and vaccination. And that's why I used to advise farmer. Before you set off your farm, or if today you don't know nature of water on your farm, please go and test it. Is it soft water? Is it hard water? Very key. Today, if you don't go and know it today, is the water on my farm, is it soft water? Is it hard water? If the water on your farm is soft water, thank God. But if it's hard water, it's a problem. Because there is magnesium and calcium that make it hard water. And once you have magnesium and calcium in the water, you find out that you'll be using more of drug, antibiotic on that farm. You see diseases. Once there's disease on the farm, so it means that the water is hard. There's more of calcium and magnesium. And when these are present, it increases the pH of the water. And when the water pH is increased, bacteria multiply easily, especially dry season. And sometimes you go to the lab, they'll prescribe some drug like irofloxacin or any of the cunolium, it will not work. Because the magnesium and calcium, it will bind them in the GI of birds. So that water quality is very important. So better to know the type of water your bird is taking. So if you have hard water, you can, I'm not saying that you go and change your pen or move your farm, because you know at the back of your mind now, okay, the water on your farm is hard and it's going to affect my bird. So you keep on treating the water. So what we tell farmer like that, flush your borehole maybe 3 times in a year. Before rain season, after rain season, at the middle of the year. There's machine that flush it. The moment you flush it, it reduces the magnesium and calcium in the water. And also make sure that your pipeline, if you are cleaning your pipeline once in a week with hydrocare, you have to clean 2 times in a week, or you will sanitize the water. That's if you say that you have optimum production. So you know these are the water. You have the bacteria like CRD, like Colibacillosis E. coli, like fowl typhoid, Salmonella. These are transmitted by water. Or we may have Newcastle, infectious bronchitis, and even Marek. These are transmitted by water. So it's good to have a clean water on your farm. So please let us go and test whether the water is hard or the water is soft. And anytime you want to buy a land, once you get the land, test the water. Or look at the water around that area. Take water around that area. If it is hard water there, run away from it. Don't buy it for your farm. Even though you don't want a problem, keep on using antibiotic. Keep on using antibiotic. Keep on using antibiotic on that farm. See, that's what